What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to prevent Google AdsBots from crawling your site. So in the case that you do not want to run Google Ads on your site, there is no need for our Google bots about ads to crawl your site. So you may need to prevent this. How to do this for free is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to WordPress dashboard, review the WordPress left sidebar of menus. To access dashboard on the browser address bar, enter with your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to search plugins, you're gonna click and type Yoast SEO, just like this. Click on Install now. Click on Activate button. This is gonna redirect you or to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, or to the plugin welcome page, a page that will make you do the setup wizard, okay, the first time setup, where the plugin gonna need to know more about your site so you can better optimize your page, okay? I recommend that you complete the setup and then go back to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus. Next to settings, you're gonna be able to find a new menu called Yoast SEO, hover mouse over it and click on submenu Settings. Once on Settings, review this middle sidebar, Yoast SEO, scroll down until you find the option called Advanced, click on it into this little arrow and click on Crawl Optimization, okay, just like this, between breadcrumbs and lms.txt. You scroll down just a little bit, there is a couple of advanced features right here that I only recommend that you enable or work with in the case that you are very experienced about code and SEO. But focus into this part right here, block unwanted boots. And the first option that you can block for free, prevent Google AdsBot from crawling. All you have to do is mark this option and hit the Save Change button. This gonna add a Disallow rule to your robots.txt file to prevent crawling by Google AdsBots. There's nothing related to Google crawler, okay? The Google search. This is only about ads, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!